Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for literally a long time. I literally leave for like long periods of time and then I come back. But I want to say that this time I really am going to be a little bit more constant with my content. So I wanted to start this Valentine's Day series. So I will be posting Valentine's Day looks every week until it's like Valentine's Day. Honestly, I don't know why I'm super excited for Valentine's Day if I'm single. But I really like pinks, so here I am, single AF, but posting Valentine's Day looks like if I'm taken. But this is the first look. For this look today, I am using my Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette. This look literally took me like 5 minutes. So it's a really simple look. And it's this, and it has a little bit of glitter, also from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Also, in the middle of my video, my camera has this auto zoom option and I forgot to turn it off, and it starts zooming, and I think you can kind of see it a little where it zooms in and out of my face, and then it just kind of stays zoomed in. The only reason that I didn't redo it was because it didn't cut off what I was showing y'all a lot, so I kept it, and I'm sorry it's so choppy. I shouldn't have done that, but I was just super excited to come back and show y'all content that I just kind of left it and I shouldn't have. Sad day. For my base, I am starting with the AOA concealer in the color Ivory. This concealer is white, so it's going to give me a white base to make the color pop a little more. I am using my Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I am using the color Tiki all over my crease. This doesn't really matter if it gets on the lid because I'm really not using concealer to cut my crease since it's a really easy look. I'm just making sure to blend really well because red does leave harsh lines if you don't blend it very well. To define my crease, I am using a burgundy color from a Makeup on the Go palette that I got on my BoxyCharm a long time ago. My lid, I'm putting on a Pinky Rose Cosmetics pressed glitter in the color Bryan. I'm smoking out my bottom lash line with the color Tiki. I am using Tease from ShopMissA, and I am topping it off with a glittery coat from Merle Norman. This is all for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.